Creating fancy logotypes and typographies has always been challenging for those who are new to the world of design. But now, using pen tool and blend options, we want to create a creative typographic in Illustrator very easily. Hello from Cherries! Let's create a nice typography. To start, we first select the Type tool from the left pane and write our desired text. Mine is Cherry. Now, let's align it to the center and decrease its opacity and lock its layer. The text is just to have a sample to draw over. Now, we should select Pen tool from the tools on the left. Using Pen tool, we draw over the text. We should select the stroke only instead of shape fill, since we just need to have the border lines drawn. Now, as you can see, we have the lines but need some curves. So we select the curvature tool from the left pane and click on the dots we created by the pen tool to make the curves. To work better with this, drag the dots and move them while holding down left key on the mouse. This helps to place the dots correctly in their desired position on the letters. Okay, we have the letter C completed. I will fast forward it, making the other letters, and we'll come back. Now that we have the lines over the letters, time to select Width tool from the left pane and click on the lines we want them thicker. This is to give an effect to the text by adding some thickness on some spots. Now we can safely delete text layer we created first as a sample to draw over. This is the time to create the pattern to apply on the text and blend it with the text we have. To do that, we select the circle shape tool from the tools on the left and draw a small circle. We need to remove the stroke and fill it with the color we like. I select a gradient fill for the circle and tweak the RGB colors to get a lively bluish color. Okay, perfect. Now we need to copy the circle. To copy it, if you are using Windows, press Alt key on the keyboard and drag the shape. For Mac users, do the same holding down the Option key. We now need more copies, but to keep the same spacing between copies, we should use Ctrl D on Windows keyboard or Command D on Mac and repeat it until we get around 20 number of copies. Now we need to blend these circles. To do that, select all the circles and open the Object menu. Navigate to Blend and select Blend Options. In the Appear window, set the spacing to specified steps with the value of 10. Press OK. Navigate to Object menu again and click on Blend submenu and select Make to blend the circles. Now that they are blended, create a copy of it using the same Alt drag and Option drag method. Okay, time to apply the effect. Select the copied blended circles and at the same time select one letter of the text. I choose C in Cherry. Navigate to the Object menu, Then blend submenu and click on Replace Spine. As you can see, the letter C is now replaced with these blended circles shaped like C. To make the blend more consistent, open the blend option again and set the steps value to 300. Still, there's some circles flashing out the typo. To fix it, click on the circles you want to remove and delete them using Delete key on the keyboard. Okay, very well. Now I see that the curve needs some more edit to be perfected. For that, select the letter C using Move tool on the left and then click on the curvature tool again and edit the curves on C. Now that I have the curves I wish, I want to bring the lower part of letter C over the line. So we should open the blend submenu again and set reverse spine. And yes, we got it. Time to fast forward again to have it completed. This is a great way to illustrate type logos and design typographies, so don't miss out practicing it and master your typography skills.